Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Photos from one account to another. Maybe you just created a new Google account, or you want to back up your photos somewhere else. Whatever the reason, this method works perfectly. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone and make sure you're signed in with the account that currently has all your photos. Now, tap your profile picture at the top right corner and go to Photos Settings. From there, tap on Partner Sharing. This is the key feature we'll use to transfer your photos. Next, tap Get Started and it will ask you to select a partner account. Here, enter the email address of the Google account you want to transfer your photos to, basically your second account. After that, you can choose to share all photos or only photos of specific people or dates. If you want everything moved, select All Photos, then tap Next, and finally tap Send Invitation. Now, switch to your second Google account, the one you're transferring photos to. Open the Google Photos app again, tap your profile picture, and switch accounts. You'll see an invitation notification at the top. Tap it and then tap Accept. Once you accept, you'll start seeing all the shared photos appear in your second account. To make them stay permanently, tap your profile picture, go to Partner Sharing, and then choose Save to your account. This will copy all the photos into your new Google Photos library, even if the first account stops sharing them later. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your Google Photos from one account to another without downloading or uploading anything manually. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.